Thanks for choosing the Easy Access Tool Bucket. It's a very handy tool to carry around your tools on site. Builders use it to carry anything that won't fit in their standard tool belts and allows 3 points of contact once you're at the top of the ladder. It's very simple to install. It has these 2 hooks on the back of the tool bucket. These simply slide into our platform ladders, which has a plastic guardrail. And you're good to go. So carry your tools up. Swap into place and you can start your work. So this tool bucket only fits our TradeTough Platform Ladder range, including our telescopic TradeTough ladders as well.